right, so we are here with Lala. By the way, you looked actually stunning at the Met Gala and today as well.
Thank you.
Just a quick question. Tonight, Game 5, Knicks and Heat. What's going through your head? What's going through your husband's head?
Well, my head is nothing but prayers in English, Spanish, Italian, German, whatever language I can think of. Just praying, and my husband's just focused, he's taking it one game at a time and, just seeing what can happen, and definitely confident after the last game and how well they did. And I'm just hoping that we can get a win in Miami and bring it back here to the Garden, because that last game at the Garden, I have never seen the Garden like that, a performance like that. It was just something really special and something that we'll always remember.
And what a performance by Melo! What was he saying after that game? I mean, he had an incredible performance.
He's so humble, but I just see that big smile on his face, so I know he's really happy. But he's so humble, and he was just happy that people believe in the team, and he just wants to keep pushing forward.
All right, well, go Knicks. And listen, if they win tonight, could I sit next to you courtside for Game 6?
I'll think about it.
All right, let me know. Thank you very much.
Okay.